Johnson & Johnson is set to settle a number of hip implant lawsuits for a whopping $4 billion. The deal concerns the company's DePuy ASR metal-on-metal hip implant, which has been linked with many disturbing medical problems, including heavy metal poisoning. If the deal goes through, it would become the biggest product liability settlement in U.S. history by an incredible margin. For perspective, the next biggest case, which involved the Swiss company Sulzer Medica, settled for just $1 billion. Johnson & Johnson, however, has already spent nearly $1 billion to manage ASR medical costs and inform doctors and patients about the device's problems. Johnson & Johnson has been hit by thousands of lawsuits since the company pulled the ASR from the market in 2010. Inside reports suggest that the deal would resolve 7,500 lawsuits filed in both federal and state courts. In this settlement, the average plaintiff will collect between $300,000 and $350,000. Signs and symptoms of a defective hip implant can include infection at the site of the implant, squeaking, popping, and grinding sounds coming from the hip, neurological problems from heavy metal poisoning, and difficulty moving. If you suspect that you have received a defective hip implant, immediately seek medical assistance and contact the ASR hip implant attorneys at Gray & White. We are helping lead the mass tort against DePuy to get justice and fairness for the victims of this harmful product.